case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Easco Hand Tools, Inc. was embroiled in a 1992 lawsuit filed by former shareholder Alfred Blasband, who claimed that the company misused funds from a public offering for purposes other than what was disclosed. The case centered on whether the plaintiff could demonstrate sufficient demand futility in order to maintain the lawsuit, which would require showing the board of directors was not disinterested or lacked independence. Blasband filed the lawsuit on behalf of Danaher Corporation, which Easco had merged with, alleging that Easco invested a considerable portion of the funds from the public offering in speculative debt securities, resulting in significant losses for the company. The district court dismissed the complaint, citing a lack of evidence to establish demand excusal. However, the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit found that Blasband had standing to maintain the lawsuit and allowed him to amend the complaint to include additional evidence for demand futility. The court permitted Blasband to amend his complaint, adding Easco as a party and alleging demand futility. Subsequently, the district court determined whether Blasband had adequately pleaded demand excusal in the amended complaint. The case would be dismissed again if Blasband didn't seek permission to amend or if the pleading was insufficient.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.